Aloha, and welcome to episode 28, season 2 of my winter long stay in Oahu, December 3rd, 2025 edition. My name is Beach Monkey. I'm a photographer, surfer, and traveler. During my stay, I want to show you the spots I surfed, places I ate, and the activities I did, so when you come to Oahu, you can plan your own ideal itinerary. And please don't forget to smash those like and subscribe buttons. On this episode, snorkeling at Hanama. On this episode, snorkeling at Hanauma Bay, eating at Zippy's. Hanauma Bay is like this beautiful nature preserve on the south end of Oahu. It's super famous for its beautiful snorkeling. It's $25 to get in, and you have to buy the tickets in advance. And they only sell the tickets 3 days in advance. Basically, the ticket window comes open at 7 a.m., and the tickets sell out within 20 minutes. So get on there quick. And it's also only open Wednesday through Sundays. Now, the beach itself is just beautiful. Even walking down, or you take the tram down, it's a beautiful beach just to hang out at. That alone is just pretty. They have like snack bars there. You can also rent snorkeling gear out. I think you can get it for like $20, and they have lockers you can rent out as well too. You do have to watch a mandatory 9-minute safety video about the reef and everything like that. And the walk is about 10 minutes to get down there. Or like I said, you can take the tram. Now, the bay itself has kind of like bunch of different snorkeling areas. The inner reef, there's a bunch of rocks and big reef, connecting the inner reef and the outer reef. That's super easy. Most of it's in very shallow water. Um, you can't step on the reef or things like that, but there's little deep pools you can go around. Now you can go outside to the outer reef. It's a way deeper. I went out there. It's maybe, 20 feet or so. And there's different advanced areas as well too around that reef area. So you can go way out if you want to as well too. But it's one of the funnest things I think I do when I'm here on Oahu. I only usually do it once. You always should go with a buddy. And one of my friends, 6 a.m. Productions, that's one of his favorite things to do as well too. So we always go snorkeling every time we come to Oahu. Definitely recommend it. I saw so many fish. At one point, I did see a moray eel. I believe it was a moray eel, which I've never seen before, which is awesome. I didn't see any turtles. That's okay. But I did see tons and tons of types of fish. Here's where I saw the eel. It's kind of harassing this fish to get him out of his territory, I guess. But yeah, I thought it was super cool. I showed 6 a.m. Productions. He didn't like it too much and swam away. But I thought the eel was super cool. And this is kind of like where I found a little spot I could swim out beyond the inner reef, get to the outer reef as well too. Here's kind of the outer reef area. It's beyond that little barrier. But you see how many big fish you see. It's just so pretty. I wanted to go out further, but you're supposed to swim with a buddy, and 6 a.m. Productions did not want to go out there at all. I think it made him nervous, but that's okay. We all go to our own comfort level, but I thought it's super cool, those fish kind of swimming around in circles. I wanted to go way out, but I needed someone to go with me, so I swam back in. As many times as I've been to Oahu, I've never been to Zippy's. Don't know why. It's one of those things where should have been there, should have tried it, but I drove by and I told 6 a.m. Productions, like, hey, let's just try it, see what the hype's about. Here's the menu. Everything was fairly inexpensive on, Hawaii standards. It is also a bakery, so they have some fresh baked goods there. Food came out fairly fast. How's it taste? What's it called again?
Some passion fruit thing, I think, or Loki, really koi. I don't know. It's very, very fruity.
You got the rice, the mac, Korean chicken. I got the fries, Korean chicken, mac. First Zippy meal ever.
Let's go.
Let's do this. Thank you so much for hanging out. And please keep checking back for more videos. Aloha.